The sutras look big, but they are not actually tough. Like Tritiya Pada, they are not tough. Panchapadam Swaminathan Irkarava is not there. Okay. Sorry, Sudha Shrikant.
Mahoday.
You can tell first today.
अपघनोऽङ्गं करणेयो विदृशु स्तम्भे कच परौघः अभग्न आश्रये संघोद्गौ गणप्रशंसयोः निघो निमित्तं
That is Upagna Ashraye. That is. You told Apagna Ashraye. Upagna Ashraye.
उपघ्न आश्रये संगोद्धौ गणप्रशंसयोः निघो निमित्तं द्वितः त्वितोत्थुच् याचयत विच्छप्रच्छरक्षो नङ् स्वप्नो नन् उपसर्गे घो किहि कर्मण्यधिकारे च स्त्रियां तिन् स्थागापापचो भावे मंत्रे विशेष पचमन विदभूवीरा उदात्तः
कर्मण्यधिकरणे च 93 कर्मण्यधिकारे च you said कर्मण्यधिकरणे च
कर्मण्यधिकरणे च स्त्रियां
and 90 also yajayachayata vichhapra like that. Can you tell again once? 90 and 93
यजयाचयत विच्छप्रच्छरक्षो नङ् कर्मण्यधिकरणे च स्त्रियां तिन् स्थागापापचो भावे मंत्रे विशेष पचमन विदभूवीरा उदात्तः ऊति जाति साति हेति कीर्तयश्च व्रजयुजोर्भावे क्यप संज्ञायां समज विशद निपत मन विश शुंक्षीं भृञ्जीणः कृञशच इच्छा
पुनः 99 please tell again संज्ञायां
समज विशद समज निषद निपत संज्ञायां समज निषद निपत मनविद शुंक्षीं भृञ्जीणः कृञशच इच्छा.
धन्यवाद. उत्तम. Shashank. Before some people sometimes they leave early, so I would like to inform before others chant. Also the internet connection in my house is suddenly it is not very good today. So I would like to tell that all of you are hearing. Shruvateva.
Shruyate Mahodaya.
Yes, sir.
So the test is planned for June 2nd instead of June 4th because June 4th and 3rd judges are not available. So June 2nd will be the test for Tritiya Adhyaya Tritiya Pada. So we have about how many days June 2nd means? This week and 2 more days in the next week. That only we have. So people who are confident that they can do the Parayanam, they are okay. People who want to practice, please practice before that. So it will be helpful for you. Varun Nanduri, you can start today.
Namaskar Mahodaya. 140 तः वक्तुमिच्छामि.
अस्तु.
भूते च वोताप्योः गर्हायां लडपि जात्वोः विभाषा कथमिलिं च किं वृत्ते लिङ्घ्रटौ अनवकृत्यमर्षयोरकिं वृत्तेऽपि किं किलास्त्यर्थेषु लृट् जातयुदोर्लिङ् यच्च यत्रयोः गर्हायां च चित्रीकरणे च शेषे लृडयदौ उताप्योः समर्थयोर्लिङ्ग काम प्रवेदने कच्चिति संभावने लमिति चेत् सिद्धा प्रयोगे विभाषा धातौ संभावनवचने यदि हेतु हेतुमतोर्लिङ् इच्छार्थेषु लिङ् लृटौ समानकर्तृकेषु
लिङ् लोटौ इच्छार्थेषु लिङ् लोटौ
इच्छार्थेषु लिङ् लोटौ समानकर्तृकेषु तुमुन् लिङ् च इच्छार्थेभ्यो विभाषा वर्तमाने विधिनिमन्त्रणामन्त्रणाधीष्ट सम्प्रश्नप्रार्थनेषु लिङ् तावदेव।
How many sutras more to by heart?
15 Mahalaya.
Okay, please do this week itself so that you can revise fully once for the next week test.
First
where is our friend Shashank? Shashank?
महोदय। उणादयो बहुलं भूतेऽपि दृश्यन्ते भविष्यति गम्यादयः यावत् पुरा निपातयो विभाषा कदा गर्ह्योः किं वृत्ते लिप्सायां लिप्स्यमानस्थौ च लोडर्थलक्षणे च लिङ्चोर्ध्वमौहूर्तिके तुमुण्वुलौ क्रियायां क्रियार्थायां भाववचनाश्च अण्कर्मणि च दृक्षेषे च दृटः सद्वा अनद्यतने लुट् पदरुजविषस्पृशो घञ् सृस्थिरे भावे अकर्तरि चकारके संज्ञायां परिमाणाख्यायां सर्वेभ्यः इङश्च उपसर्गे रुवः समियुद्रुदुवः शृणीभुवोऽनुपसर्गे वौक्षुश्रुवः अवोदोर्णियः प्रेदृस्तुस्त्रुवः निरभ्योः पूल्वोः उन्योर्ग्रह कृधान्ये यज्ञे समिस्तुवः प्रेस्त्रो यज्ञे प्रथने वावशब्दे छन्दो नाम्नि च उदिग्रहः समिमुष्टौ परिण्योर्नीणोर्द्यूताभ्रेषयोः परावनुपात्यय इणः विपयोष्येतेः पर्याये हस्तादाने चेरस्तेये निवासचिति शरीरोपसमाधानेष्वादेश्चकः सङ्घे चानौत्तराधर्ये कर्मव्यतिहारेण च स्त्रियाम् अभिविधो भाव इनुण् आक्रोशे वन्योर्ग्रहः प्रेलिप्सायां परौ यज्ञे नौवृधान्ये उदिश्रयति यौति पूद्रुवः विभाषाङ्गिरुप्लुवोः अवेग्रहो वर्षप्रतिबन्धे। तावदेव महोदय।
So Shashank, you were attending class or you have joined now?
No, sir.
Okay, from whom are you learning? Are you learned in this class or you learned from somewhere else?
No, this class itself.
You attended third class, Tritiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada?
No, sir.
Okay, sorry. Astu, dhanyavadah. You have told without seeing the book or with seeing the book?
Seeing.
Okay. Okay, dhanyavadah. Astu. So once again I want to repeat. June 2nd Wednesday. June 2nd Wednesday class timings 5 to 7 will be the test. So you will get a mail and I will also tell you the Zoom ID and everything. Okay. Anything else is there to chant? Rupa Sudha Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya. 141 landa 176 vare.
Okay.
गोताप्योः गर्भायां लडपि जात्वोः विभाषा कथमिलिञ्च किं वृत्ते लिङ्गृटौ अनवक्तमस्ययोर् किं वृत्तेऽपि किङ्किलास्त्यतेषु घृट् जातयतो लिङ् यच्च यत्रयोः गर्भायां च चित्रीकरणे च शेषे लृढयदौ उताप्यो समर्थयोर्लिङ् कामप्रवेदने कच्चिति संभावनेलमिति चेत् सिद्धा प्रयोगे विभाषा धातो संभावनवचने यति
हेतु हेतु मतो लिंग इच्छातेषु लिंग लोटौ समानकर्तृकेषु तुमुन् लिंग च इच्छातेभ्यो विभाषा वर्तमाने विधि निमन्त्रणामन्त्रणाधीष्ट संप्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु लिंग लोट च प्रैषादिसर्ग प्राप्त कालेषु कृत्या च लिंग चोद्वमौ पूर्तिके स्मे लोट अधिष्ठे च काल समय वेला सुतुमुन् लिंग यदि अर्के कृत्य त्रिचश्च आवश्यकाधमन्ययोर्मिणिः कृत्याश्च ठकिलिंग च तिच्चिचौ आशिषि लिंग लोटौ तिच्चितौ च संज्ञायां माङ्गिलुं स्मोतरे लञ्च उणादय इङो निवास व्यधजपोर् अपग्न इच्छाहलश्च ओताप्योर् विधि षोडश इति पाणिनीय सूत्रपाठे तृतीयोऽध्यायस्य तृतीयः पादः। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः। मीनाक्षी वैकलत्तूर्.
Namaste.
From where to where you want to chant?
I will chant from 141.
Okay, very good. Please start.
I need screen.
Screen, okay.
141. Yeah, thank you. भूते च वोताप्योः.
1 minute. The mouse, whatever direction I give, it is going opposite side. Sometimes
Okay.
it goes correctly. I'll just bear with me.
वोताप्योः गर्हायां लडपि जात्वोः विभाषा कतमि लिंग च किं वृत्ते लिंग ऋटौ अनवक्लृप्त्य मर्षयोर् किं वृत्तेऽपि अनवक्लृप्त्य कृन्तेऽपि किं किलात्यर्थेषु.
1 minute. இப்ப சொல்லுங்க.
किं किलाश्चर्तेषु लृट् जातु यदोर्लिङ् यच्छयत्रयोः गर्हायां च चित्रीकरणे च शेषे लृड्यदौ उताप्यो समर्थयोर्लिङ् कामवप्रवेदने कच्छिति संभावनेलमिति चेत् सिद्धा प्रयोगे विभाषाधातौ संभावनवचने यदि हेतुहेतुमतोर्लिङ् इच्छार्थेषु लिङ् लोटौ समानकर्तृकेषु तुमुन् लिङ् च इच्छार्थेभ्यो विभाषा वर्तमाने विधि निमन्त्रणामन्त्रणाधीष्ट संप्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु लिङ् लोट् च प्रैषादि सर्ग प्राप्त कालेषु कृत्याश्च लिङ् चोर्ध्वमौहूर्तिके स्मे लोट् अधीष्टे काल समय वेलासु तुमुन्
Adhishte cha. There is one cha is also there.
लिङ् यदि अर्हे कृत्य त्रिचश्च आवश्यकादमर्णयोर्निनि कृत्याश्च शकि लिङ् च आशिषि लिङ् लोटौ तिक्चौ च संज्ञायां माङि लुङ् स्मोत्तरे लङ् च उणादय इङ् निवास व्यजपोरभगन इच्छ हलश्च वेताप्योर्विधि षोडश इति पाणिनीय सूत्रपाठे तृतीयाध्याये तृतीय पादः. धन्यवादः. तृतीयाध्याये तृतीय पादः. धन्यवादः.
Okay, we will close the class here today. Once again, I remind you, June 2nd, next week, Wednesday, is the test 5 to 7. All of you, please be prepared. Memorizers, please quickly memorize in this week.
Sir, one doubt. This Dhatu Rupa, Shabda Rupa test is tomorrow. That computer-based online test. It will be at 6 o'clock, and no communication has come so far.
It will come. You have not received the link.
No, not yet.
It will come. It will come, and you will also have it in the course page also.
One more doubt, please.
Hmm.
For the Ashtadhyayi test, we have to register.
That I will send.
Okay.
I don't think we will keep registration free this time. Anyhow, but we have to send the mail to everybody. Those who are not coming to class also will come.
Yeah.
So let me see what I should do about that. Okay.
Okay. So the link we will get the link for the test.
Link also you will get. You will get if you have to register. I will send the registration mail also.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So Namaskaram, Swaminathan. First question is the link varlen. I didn't hear it. Somebody Venkateswaran Gopala said he didn't receive a link.
Which link for which one, sir?
No, Venkateswaran Gopala asked a question. He didn't receive a link for tomorrow's. I was wondering what was that link. And then you said it will come.
Dhatu Rupa, Shabda Rupa test. Online computer-based test.
So there are a lot of tests happening in Vyoma. So there is a process for that. You can send one email, sir, that link has not been received. But I think it has been told that the link will be sent on the day of the exam, etc. You have already registered for the same. If I send you the link, you will answer the test now itself. So the test is only for 2 hours, so I think the link will come only tomorrow. If I understand correctly, since it is a test, there are different kinds of tests. For an oral test, you will get before. For this kind of a test, you will get only on the time. That is this. If you don't receive the mail by the time indicated in the mail, then you have to go to the course page and see whether there is a link available. Then you have to click on that link and go inside. If you don't have that also, then you have the support number. You can call the support number. These are the 3 steps you should follow in Vyoma if you cannot achieve what you want to achieve.
Dhanyavad, sir.
Okay. Dhanyavad.